Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, don't forget to press the subscribe button and the bell button so you wouldn't miss any of my future videos. So as you can tell by today's title, I am going to do a vlog on seeing alpacas with my family, and Jill is on bed. The weather today isn't great, and apparently we're going to go inside to see the alpacas. I'll just show you the weather. It's a bit awful. So it's just like a dull day and it's been raining. I think it's raining right now, but I don't think you can see. It's raining a little bit, it's like drizzling. So as I said, we're gonna see the alpacas inside. I think we were gonna see them inside anyway, I think. So the outfit of the day is this long sleeve yellow top from Primark and these navy blue leggings from Primark as well, and these socks. I don't know where these socks are from. So we're going out in less than half an hour, and I'll let you know when we get there.
We tried to get screen on Sunday, couldn't get in. Now, they don't look at the best because of the wet. We draggle because normally the knives are really nice and soft and fluffy. Oh. So what we'll do is I'll get some feed for you. This sheet. And you can feed. Oh yes, now these are our pet sheep. Oh. And we've got Timmy. Hello. The one over there is Timmy. Now my daughter trained these to walk, and the plants, they were orphans. So she trained them to walk. So we've had these out today, like walking like a dog. Oh. So we could maybe do that if you want to do that. And then the other two are Ballet Black Nose sheep.
That one that's facing us?
Yeah. And then there's another one.
There's the one.
Just like there. Yeah. I'll get in amongst them in a minute and we'll move them around. But so they're on the farm. They were born on the farm. Yeah. And then the others we've bought because they're becoming very popular as the cutest sheep ever.
Really cute. Yeah. Lovely.
And they're a Swiss breed.
Oh, and how old are they?
These were born in April this year.
Oh gosh, they're so big, aren't they?
Yeah, April this year.
Like taking Garfield for a walk.
Well, there'll be a bin in one of those things. Some barriers.
It's not sheep walking you. Yes.
Yeah. Come on. It is. Come on. Come on. It's like walking a dog.
Put your phone away.
Like Sean for sheep.
I know.
Hello. Nice job.
You've got a little friend there, Lucy. Is it on camera?
Yeah, it's filming.
Oh.
I'll just put a little bit of feed in the trough and then I can get the halters on.
Is that the trick?
Hello. Trying to lick me, aren't you? Hi, it's been a few hours since I got home from the farm where the alpacas were. As you saw in some of the other pictures and videos, I did see some more animals, so I saw calves and sheep as well, and also saw horses, but I didn't like take a picture or video it. And it was absolutely tipping it down with rain, and despite it being soaking, I still enjoyed it. And my socks were wet as well, and despite Corona and everything that's happening, we still had a great day out. It's local to me, so that's even better. And it was like a normal farm, and it was B&B as well. And it was a good day out. Families would enjoy it, like with little kids, and it was something different with everything going on. So hopefully you enjoyed this vlog. I know it's really short, but hopefully it's still entertaining and like you still enjoyed it. So don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, and I filmed a whole video at Primark haul, so that will be up at some point this week. So hopefully you enjoy that as well, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!